Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
State your name, sir.
Jeremiah Pickton.
Your Honor, Rusty
Mr.
Shepherd on behalf of Jeremiah.
All right, you're before the court charged of possession with intent to sell or manufacture marijuana, possession of paraphernalia, display or use of a weapon during felony charge, and dealing in stolen property. You understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Mr. Shepherd, what would you like to tell me about Mr. Pipkin?
Judge, he is from Cartersville, Georgia. His entire family is up there. They called me and asked me if I would handle his first appearance. So that's where we are.
All right.
Thank you.
What brings you down here from Cartersville?
Vacation.
Okay, good.
This is my first time being here.
You had a DUI this year in Georgia and a possession of marijuana last year.
Bond set at 5,000 marijuana, 1,000 of paraphernalia, 15,000 on the firearm during the commission of a felon, and 15,000 on the dealing and stolen property of firearm. Court date's going to be May 6th at 9 o'clock with random UAs, no firearms.
Step to your right to the T. FedEx, sir.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
State your name, sir.
Bishop Poe.
Mr. Poe, you're fully court charged.
Sir?
Delivery or sale of marijuana and paraphernalia. Do you understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
All right. If I had a co-defendant that told the investigator and all the other officers, like he admitted to the marijuana being his and everything else, like why am I still being charged?
Because life's a bitch.
Oh, that's a good answer.
Because they sorted it all later. They sorted it all out later, bro.
All right. I was asking.
I know this is gonna be hard for you, please, but sometimes people don't stick to the same story. So sometimes they just charge the whole group and let everything sort out by itself.
All right.
I
Well,
wasn't there, but I'm just saying, sometimes when we lay down with dogs, we wake up with fleas.
it's in a report. Like everyone got searched.
Okay, that's good. That's good for you. But also, why were you there if you knew that all this stuff was going on?
I was on vacation. I literally just made it down here. I wasn't even here 10 minutes, sir.
Okay, well, you know what they say, come on vacation, leave on probation, return on violation.
No, don't do me like that. I was asking, could I leave on ROR, come back for court, and leave on probation and never come again?
We'll see. Let's see what that lovely lady to your left says. Miss Fanbro, criminal
It's
history?
much. It's out of Georgia. Well, you're entitled to the bond.
Oh yeah, I'll give you a bond.
Can I get up?
All right, on the possession with intent to sell or distribute marijuana, bond is 5,000. On the paraphernalia, it's 1,000. Random UAs is directed by court. Court date is going to be May the 6th at 9 o'clock. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Step to your right to the T.
You write that for me.
You about to get it. Step to your right to the T.
All right, I'm sorry.
When that green light comes on right there, sign. State your name. You're fine. You're good.
Bellamy, court charges sell or delivery of marijuana and paraphernalia. Do you understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. That's true.
Yes, sir.
Based on your application, finds you do qualify for the service of the public defender's office. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. Any question about that?
No, sir.
Deputy criminal history on Mr. Bellamy.
Georgia, controlled substance, sale, manufacture marijuana 24, controlled substance, marijuana 21, and a resisting. That's it.
Mr. Bellamy, are you the one that took credit for everything? Never mind. I'm not going to. Don't worry about it.
No,
Don't
sir.
worry.
I ain't.
No,
Don't do
good.
it. Don't just leave it alone.
You bonds 5,000 on the delivery of marijuana or sell or delivery of marijuana, 1,000 on the paraphernalia, random UAs. Your court date's going to be May 6th at 9 o'clock. Good luck, sir.
Sir, could I ask,
Get R&R. Could I ask you to get R&R, sir?
You just did.
May you bless me with it, sir?
No. No, you got drug charges in Georgia. You come down here with drugs, allegedly.
All right, sign where that green light is. Next. Red Xer. State your name.
Mr. Fountain, you fully court charged possession of a firearm during commission of a felony, possession of paraphernalia, and sale, manufacture, delivery of marijuana. Do you understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes,
Hold
sir.
on.
You make too much money for a public defender, but the law recognizes your financial situation may change, in which case you can reapply. You also have the option of hiring your own attorney to represent yourself. Any questions about this?
No, sir.
Deputy, criminal history,
Just a DWLSR.
25,000 on the firearm, 1,000 on paraphernalia, 5,000 on the marijuana with intent, random UAs, no firearms.
Court date.
May 6th at 9 o'clock, like everybody else in the car.
Don't do that. Step on the T.
A whole carload. Let's get the last one in here so we can get this over with.
All right, next. Red Xer. State your name.
Elijah Battle.
Mr. Battle, you fully court charged possession with intent to sell or distribute marijuana, paraphernalia, and then you've got possession of a harmful inhalant. What are they talking about? A whippet. Jesus. Yeah, kids are still doing whippets. Oh my gosh. And it's a whippet's a felony? Oh my God. Woo. All right, buddy. I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Based on your application, you make too much money. You don't want a public defender. You don't even want a public defender?
I have a family attorney.
Okay, good. Are they licensed to practice in Florida?
I'm not sure. It's just I know I have a family
Didn't think
attorney, and
about
that's who
that.
I was.
Okay. All right, you can apply later if you want a public defender, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Deputy, criminal history, Mr. Battle?
Sale of marijuana 23, DWLSR ×3, and a FTA 23. 20 reckless. Oh,
I
go
don't
ahead.
know. I'm good. 5,000.
Why you ask me?
Because I'm trying to stay on target here because I don't want to jam up Mr. Battle for. I've been pretty consistent on these. 5,000 the marijuana, 1,000 the paraphernalia, and 1,000 the whippet. That is a ridiculous felony charge. Court date's going to be May 6th at 9 o'clock with random UAs.
Step to your right to the T. He can hear you.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
So that's what I was gonna get to. You said the whippet. So they sell those legally in stores.
Oh yeah. If you use them legally, they're fine. If you use them to
No,
inhale, they're not.
And so how
Are you
how
gonna,
could that be?
let me ask you a question. Did
Okay.
you have whipped cream in there with you?
No, I had just bought it, and I bought it as it is. I'm sorry. What was that?
You didn't have whipping cream in the car?
No, sir. We were at Walmart.
Okay. All right. Good luck, buddy.